Yeah, hello again YouTube. This is what I got from my EDC today. It's a Kershaw One Ton. It's a lightweight knife, but the blade is still has still a pretty fat belly. It's almost as wide as my thumb, you can see there. And yeah, it's basically a great lightweight knife. I like to wear this knife when I wear my snow gear on, because when you walk in the mountains and it's cold and stuff, weight tends to carry a bit of leverage. So this is the knife that I use for EDC today, Kershaw One Ton. Later fellas.